Hey, Captain Wingnut, Brad Wardle from Cougar Ridge Ranch, high in the Uinta Mountains of eastern Utah. Today I'm going to show you how I plant carrots. It's easy. Planting carrots is a pain. Let me show you what I do. Here we go. Hello, Brad Wardle, aka Captain Wingnut from Cougar Ridge Ranch, high in the Uinta Mountains of eastern Utah. And today I'm going to show you how to easily plant carrots, beets, radishes, anything that's tiny seeds. You can do this. Now, for the carrots, I use this one. It's just a spice. I think it was garlic salt, just a spice bottle. And I put the seeds in it, just a few little seeds in there, you can kind of see them. And for beets, I use one that's got a little bit bigger holes, and you can see the seeds in there. And for radishes, I use this tiny one. It was nutmeg, and you can see the seeds inside there. It's just a shaker system, and you just lightly shake it. So I'm going to plant some carrots and show you how easy it is. Here we go.
So the first thing we're going to do is take a leaf rake and just, this planter box was used for something else last year. So we're just going to rake the debris off the top that was left by the tiller. And the main reason for the leaf rake is just to rough up the soil, just a little tiny bit of soil, not much, just the first quarter inch of soil, just to give a little roughness to the soil for the seeds. And then we're going to wet it down so that the seeds have something to stick to. Now you're going to want to do this on a morning when there's no wind, because these little seeds really blow. I did it one year with wind and I had a pile of seeds in one corner. And so you want to make sure that you do it in the morning or late evening when there's little to no wind. Now you're going to sprinkle very easily, because you're going to be shocked when you see how many seeds can actually come out of these little containers. Once you get the seeds in, then you're going to sprinkle them down with some water again, just to get them wet and help them stick where they're at. Now, like I said, you're going to be shocked at how many seeds come out. It usually looks like grass growing to me when I've done this, and I think that I haven't had very many seeds come down, but you're going to end up doing some thinning anyway. So we're putting down peat moss, and we're going to just put up to a quarter of an inch of peat moss on top of these little seeds, and give them something to hold them down. If the seeds dry out without peat moss on top and they haven't set roots yet, then they will just blow away and you'll have them all over the place. So little peat moss on top, and give them something to cover. Then you're going to want to water the peat moss immediately, so that if there is any wind, it's going to stick down. Now the peat moss is going to stick to the dirt that was roughed up, and it's going to hold the seeds down. And you're going to have to water these quite often. You're at least once, maybe twice a day, to keep the peat moss moist until the carrot seeds pop up.
So there you have it. It probably took me 2 minutes to plant the carrots. It'll take me 2 more minutes to plant the beets. Yeah, carrots and beets the easy way. Don't kill yourself trying to plant little seeds and try and buy those expensive seed strips. Just put a shaker on. All right, Captain Wingnut from Cougar Ridge Ranch giving you the easy tip of the day, how to plant carrots and beets. Thanks for watching. Hasta la vista, baby.